So next up, guys, a really clean Dodge Charger here. This is a 2021 Dodge Charger. I mean, all-wheel drive car, guys. Coming in, local retired police vehicle from in town here. They have an excellent maintenance program. This car's only got 78,000 miles, guys. It's got a 3.6 liter gas motor in it. Interior looks to be in real good shape. Rubber's good. Got heat AC. Kind of standard retired police vehicle. Automatic transmission. It's got the spotlight there on it as well, but rust-free car. Relatively low mileage. Runs good. So I'm here with Garrett. He'll fire it up. Give me a nice demo. Starts right up. Does have some extra key fobs that go with it. They're kind of all zip tied together, I suppose. It's missing the center cap on this tire, but it fell off. Most of it's just on the floorboard inside. So this one does not have the Hemi. I know a lot of these police vehicles do. This one doesn't have the Hemi, but really, guys, looks to be an excellent little car. Headlights are both on there. There's just a quick little demo. A 2021 Dodge Charger. Good, guys, auction time at Old 20 Auctions.